You can get an instant loan from the Payit app right now, right away. Avail the money in your account in 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how in these 2 easy steps. Simply start by logging in into your Payit app. Once you have logged in, at your dashboard, tap on the Need Money option. If you cannot find the Need Money option in your Payit wallet, do not worry. Just simply use your Payit wallet for a few months. Eventually, you'll be eligible for this money on demand service, and the option will show up on your dashboard. So guys, once you tap on the Need Money button, the terms and conditions of this service page will open up. Read through these terms and then tap on the Yes button. This will automatically prompt the Payit app to review your eligibility status, and this can take around 5 minutes. Well, as you can see on the screen, I'm personally eligible for 1,414 dirhams. This usually depends on your average monthly salary. The Paid Money on Demand service gives around 50% salary advance. So if your salary is 3,000, you can get around 1,500. Very easy online repayment, easy eligibility check, and also customer service 24/7. So finally, to get this money into your Payit wallet, simply tap here on this message that is showing your eligibility amount. The money on demand page will open, and then you have to enter the amount you want to take. Let me enter 1,414 dirhams. One thing you need to keep in mind, Payit doesn't charge an interest, but rather charges a processing fee. You can see it here on the screen. In my case, it will be 99 dirhams, and also a VAT of 5%, making the total fees of 103 dirhams.95 fils. As you can see on the screen, these fees keep on changing depending on the total amount of money that you want to take. Once you have entered the amount that you need to take, again, tap on this check eligibility button. Review all this information, starting from the amount, the fees, and also the VAT that will be charged. To finalize, simply click Request Money on Demand. Enter your password, and that's it. Your request has been successfully processed and money will show up in your account. If you are not yet eligible for the Payit loan app, you can try these other UAE loan apps. I'll leave the video on the screen.